Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, early hour of today, there were a lot of information that is up there saying that 30 men from the Biafra Liberation Army fall down. 30 of them, and the news circulated everywhere, and I have been looking to hear it from the Nigerian media or any of the media to announce it, but still we've not heard something of such. But today, just few hours later, Biafra Liberation Army, one of them, have to really tell us in details what really happened. Let me not talk too much. You know why Progress the Analysis here is to give you all the updates. Let's listen to what he said. Let's listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, freedom supporters. Good evening, my followers. Good evening, Biafrans all over the world. I'm here this night, as usual, although network didn't allow me to come on time, to appreciate those of you who make today sit at home work perfectly. Semechuku Kika Abiyama bless you abundantly. I'm here to debunk the nonsense the Zoological Republic of Nigeria forces came to announce earlier today. If you don't know them, it is my duty to make you to understand how them works. But the time of propaganda have passed long ago. Long ago. The time of propaganda where they will come and talk garbage have gone. For those of you who believe the garbage then say to you, you may repeat. They cannot kill us, even one, talk less of killing 30. Then if you doubt me, go and look at the previous video of the zoo report and the previous video or brokers have been making. If they kill us, they will jubilate and they will show you the video. How come they kill 30 or they arrest 30 and they could not show? The vehicle they took is where they parked the vehicle, the informant lead them there and they took that one vehicle. There was no Biafra Liberation Army, not even single one. We were not in the battle with them. But it was only where we used to park the vehicle and then were led by the informant unknowingly to us. Then came there secretly and towed the vehicle. So I challenge Nigeria Terrorist Army. And if they say they have arrested or killed 38 BLA, let them show the video. I challenge them. Let them show the video. Tell them to show you the video of ESM they capture or then kill. This is a bunch of fool. We are not here to joke. Today in Osu, they have died. As I've earlier posted, 20 have gone. 20. They have no other option. They slid in. They didn't know that we have gathered information where they've been coming in thief to rob the innocent citizen. And we have been waiting for them patiently. They came with three healers and 2 armor town. Unknowingly to them, the healers have been exploded by our explosion. And instantly 20 lost their life. And they pack their dead body and go. Tell them to report this. This is genuine. If you have person in Olu, call your people in Olu and ask them what happened today in Olu. They will tell you that these people reporting garbage. Can you kill one ESM member, talk less of a Biafra Liberation Army? And then you are come on earth to insert fear to the good citizen of Biafrans. We are past that level. If you say you have killed us 30 or you have arrested 30, why can't you show picture? Show us and let us see. Nonsense. It will do for your face, bam bam. We tell you that we have art for you and we are playing as you are playing is showing. Good people of Biafrans, I'm here to debunk that nonsense. They never born them to kill us up to 30. They never born them. Even with their 2 fighter jets and 20 armor tank and 2,000 army personnel, they did not even kill up to 1. Talk less of coming with two armor tank and a few. Oh my goodness me. They are very useless. I challenge them to show the video. Tell them, let them show the world the video of ESM or Army, Biafra Liberation Army, then kill. Even though it's won, let them show. How can you kill what you did not see? It's not possible. So, we are not here to joke. When we tell them that this war then bring to our land, they will not live to testify it, we mean it. When we tell them that this land of our ancestors, that we will not move an inch, we mean it. When we tell them that this very land of the rising sun will swallow them, we mean it. And when we tell them that we will never retrieve or never surrender, we mean it. When we tell them that we need nothing but Biafra, and Biafra we will get, we mean it. When we tell them that it is Biafra or Biafra, we mean it. And when we tell them that we are equal to the task of the war drum they are playing, we mean it. So, it is no longer a time of too much talking. It is the time of action. And we have been displaying the action. The world should ask them. Say they have been saying that we are eye out. You say we hide out. We hiding in the bush. Now, you have seen our video displaying on the tar road, on the road, and the villagers was watching us. We display from morning to night. Ask the zoo soldier, where were you? Were your informant not inform you about our launching? Were you not informed? Why didn't you come and combat with us? Because we were fully prepared. Even when we were, doing our march past, we were also waiting and preparing for you. Why didn't you show face? Because you know first, you know fully well that it is first come, first serve. This time around, we promise you that it's not going to be as usual. We are coming in full force. Remember, Gear 2 are just being activated. Gear 2 are just being activated. So, get ready, because this is our land. And this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. Thank you, good peoples of Biafra. It is not my intention to dwell long in this broadcast. I just want to debunk the nonsense and the garbage the shameless people have been trying to feed the war with nonsense. Tell them to show you the picture. Nothing happened to any member of ESN. In Okigwe and in Osu, Olu, Osumowo. Nothing. Every single member of ESM are intact. Not even scratched. Then ask them, what conspired today about 20 poles to Osumowo, where you normally come for the battle? The road you were taking to go and inflict pain in the innocent citizen, robbing them. What happened? They have all gone. So, don't listen to the nonsense. I am here to give you the right information because I am on the ground. I am on the ground, the battlefield itself. I will tell you as usual. If we lost so, I will tell you we lost so. Even though it's 2 or 3 or 4 we lost, I will come here to tell you today the gallant men 2 or 3 or 4. But It have been long. As I told them the last time they killed our gallant man, I told them we will not die again. And ever since then, we never fall. Yes, they witness it, they know it, and they can never kill us again. Each time they come, they will pack their dead body go. Because this is the land Chukwu Kikabiama gave to our ancestors, that gave to our father, that gave to us. And do you know what? We have taken an oath to hand over this land of our ancestors to our children and our children unborn. In a very good faith, without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Hausa, without the presence of Yoruba, and without the presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this land of the rising sun in a very good faith. So whosoever that thing, he can stop us from restoring Biafra, let him put face and see if he will live to testify what he saw. We are out in full force to defend the people of Biafrans and the lives and property in Biafra land. We will do everything within our power and our strength to pursue all the killers and the terrorists in our land. Yes, it is an oath that we took, and we will never retrieve, we will never surrender until we got what we are fighting for. And that is nothing but Biafra. We go nowhere. From me.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.